Hey. Gynel TV, you didn't make go up.
I swear to God. It's an update when
latest one, I think. Hey. I didn't. Obi ba with you now. I said Obi bo.
Why debut? Maybe.
Mama shemba.
Wow, repair.
Wow, we are. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh. Hello.
Hi. Oh.
Repairer.
TV repair.
Oh, okay. Hey, watch your papa.
Nyamia, traffic no. Number is not been saying about being packet.
Oh, Aquabo.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What's your opinion?
Oh, me that's. I'm so what I said with TV.
Yes. Yeah, fault too.
Okay. Pacho TV, yeah, and I said, oh, bedroom.
Pacho, yeah.
Okay. My dear Pacho, me had dear mamma.
Sir.
Until the moment grad up I see.
Oh.
No, don't be affection, no one.
I'm Pacho, that be hard, dear man.
What could be the problem?
Chromo confused now. Is this in my picture, never writing? Nina blue.
Oh,
Chromo confused.
Sister Nancy,
a TV and the money penny picture ever. Fuse.
Oh, I see.
Bra. You said it. Oh, Edo.
Bra.
Owns a pampine womb.
Bra.
Maybe I
said never be near woman.
There be tea, said about penny moon, be any only be here. What if for two once your cacra owns it as a pampine womb? I got any dressy musa. Oh, I'm a chromo confused now. I make a name now, Papa Yagun. Well, crown, some way mistake. And I am an afraid, I'm afraid will be Uncle Benny Jack. My sister.
Fix my wife, please. Just do this for us.
Patrick, be young cut to TV in the daily crab food.
I know, we're not going to be said.
How you? It's also a mouth.
Ready at the condemn one aircon. Pacho, bra.
Hey.
It's a no condemn one aircon.
Oh, okay.
I will condemn for Mamma or 15 CD or better.
TV, I got toy, you cram my 15 sister.
They say last week, Mammy be fridge, me friend condemn you, wouldn't bow mammy 25 CD, TV almost 15 at Jawate.
15 CD says,
I said, bra, where Toshiba?
Forgetting Shibano. Why, mammy, forgetting Shibano. You know, and yet Toshiba crown a Yankee Jatum, the way see a
omo brand nanka say papa anka TV for frobia anka be say
condemn
ti se pacho ye be
dia ne de nka je say mama kora ani be tu nanka ba yi tu kra de kwa nya de betimi a repair TV asade abremu biem
just I say cry
I baller mama
oh inti untimi nto bibia screen na bibia
wo hema nanka me aye ma say de so professional TV doctor. My dear Pacho, Oma now me shadi. Uni anas one tin maybe assessor.
That's matter one say. So over just I condemn. So we can use it.
The ten said, on say TV no. The Brazil will be who the men tell you. One was a pump.
Yeah, me who be here.
Oh, a hard drink. It's no. Sanka.
Say bright pretend some so DNA be a bit my fix it.
Tia be ya a bit me fix here sanki and tough from India.
And I said, should I have a call?
And shut down your car. Me, I'm a gentleman, dear. My mamma baby is secure. On my mamma correct TV. Why, dear? Only problem. Oh,
it's just a budget.
And the account to Muska crowd, they would me foul for no about the Kurun Yaba.
Yes, that connection.
But when you move, so and baby, a dream agency.
Okay, so right now, my leg costing and saying.
We're 32 inches, say, no big club, I know what they get 2,700. But, men in quite sorry. You who are for.
Oh, okay.
And you know, Saturday will call Semka, be a china.
Yeah.
And told the mommy 2005. Nanka,
so my 2,500. Why am I 1,000? It's true. She said, I'm trouble.
TV 32 inches in 1,000. Standing at this, I'm a bantama, or more you be go on, Nanka Mako to be mother. My mamma, dear shop box.
So patches say it's if you has a TV.
I may tell me that my mamma, dear shop box, soon correct, Naima. Why, my dear?
What do you have 1,500?
The patch away yet.
1,500 a day, okay.
Well, I 2,000. Send in the moment, my family number, send me, I mean, to bless his Siana.
Okay.
What's your name?
Okay.
Hey, and as I say, near my walk across your pound. Chromocom's food.
I know, dear, we have been taught. Chromo confused and canena and Akajitia, Abrosam, A line, B line, or and a normal tomb also, by a lot of food in a normal tongue. Or Montimus or Muko around for Kukum.
Such a would the history in our winning. Oh, there be sending Pebia or also soon, dear sister. Says, money, what's your number? Branham Bomusuna, any panya, the down was. Okay. What's now? I am a friend from the rough road. Why did you dinner go and company?
Aye, what are you?
Wow, a dear company.
A bunch.
Some of the classmates in the company.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Manchester City, the Tico to Bisa.
Oh, okay.
You're trying to friend ticket killing.
Eh, now we need people to us.
And then the consumer TV, you and Mamma Bravo. And why a deeper this time? I stamp actually. Okay. Pushy sister. Into me, I'm in a beba. Kubble no believe but me.
Hey, you will grumble.
Wouldn't me more until I am about friend Kubble no believe but.
It's an expected time, babe.
Patrol me quite human phone in the human. Okay. It is can I say I could see so.
Any my number, na friend on Moncasa Momo.
Any more mean you money. Into me to America call me ye and I'm a told you.
Need him, yes. Mr. Mench, one problem. And one I
problem. Why? The problem.
Okay, so save Jenny. Why? Ever show anymore? It's true. And Chebby.
Oh, smooth. Yes.
Patrol may I not be
yeah, tell my end because
some patrol me and one happening.
Yeah, Mrs. Tapini.
Oh, okay. And away this is take it to our
patron.
Okay, nice one. And tell you, now we are one.
No, sis. Yeah, sure. Or the TV in the baby. That's what I say.
Yes, send the man on one the baby. Until the end, hope you saw the baby.
I'm still on Gynel TV. Maybe
they only with Gynel TV. Subscribe me. No one liking, no one share, no one comment. Hey,
sis, me pure, me copy my biatina.
Sir, let me go inside.
Okay, over. I have a quiet time. Okay, sure. I love you.
Love you too.
Bye. Oh, baby. Like I say, videos are made. I'm trying to call now. Just see you in
Fabra. Hello, Pacho. Now come be down bombs. I know you're carpenter, Niana.
Brady.
Really, Kafra. TV no near the Aban.
TV no near by this time. What has some repair TV by this time?
Yeah, repair really ye two what's never torn a condemn. Really, and care, but
I didn't own camera, the engine.
Oh sister, minim say be am dey read telenovela.
Yes, say be fix my ye. Ada na wo ba at least friend.
Anumre so Gynel TV, on be programs be minim say ni nyina mo be hwe bi.
No dey no crab but an ko china na ye o because by this time mo ba so mo bo na mo wura mo bi ka say mo wura.
Minim say be a mali ka ba ha da ni nti.
When di ka ba ha na o ye fira wa ha.
Me bom na focus on video ne so kafra.
Next time mama mo nya sade no kra mo bo bi punu ma mo ntwen o just to say oh mo brama na mo bom papa mpanyin for te say mo bo bi bruma na mo
ma emo anunti am why na
so kire ne belt
ni pa mo adwuma na we also nya
TV ni packet wa kra o mu ya kra
menya nka ko besia
TV no be me mo ja gina ni team TV no be me mo ja gina ni team e wo si TV ni trias nti
wa hwe munim de mu ye mpo enti say mo ye dey
ye be try we say na ma na say hey
master
some we am basa what me papa
oh yala na ba
mo fa nko
sabi
ye ma ye ntimi mo fa nko oh mo fa nko ma me ka ti mi
master
mo fa nko
ti oh there
bi ele we the master afia na e be kan ho
me pa mo twa ye ntimi so anu o hwa ye ma bi pe
me master wo yale afia na yale ba yale na kan yin zo tumi ntune ne mpia bonten na wa ve obeda
ye na nka menna ha de me da
o ntimi nda ha o de ma me ko na ye mfa ne
ko mi ya ni pa ko ho nya che TV
wa ya be ma ko wu abon
wi ase bo de ni pot yase enche ne ni pa wu wate ni pa mo master ye ko da
me so kra me
o ko da saying
tie tobo me jima ho me wa ha kakre wo na nketu America wo draft store na wani mu wo wo so mo ma wo pono kosen
master o he dia drone master
pono kosen ase obi a wanya migraine na adwene
na opeso ye ni ye
uti dabi obi ase uti a wati esi so do kwa so pono kosen wa wo mu obi wo
nti o mama fa ngo da master mi iska o me ho
empane de on da so
o mama mesro oh bua me mate ya ni ye uti bi se master wo sisi a hone be ye uti bi ama o oh ni pa nko me master won tanya le kura na master ya baba hana baba
ja ode ja ha de mi ametimi ada
na master obi ya le do be si da
enya
nwa de nwa wa tuna ho what a fantastic rolling hey master about to man kata ho
so na ti aduro ne bre
mate master
ni po yare no to no
mama me so excuse me
ayi shape no
excuse me sir mama me so master pinwa kakra wa me so na ni pa oh master pinwa
e fa me nko danger na he aye
ada ya ho ne nya
ase wa ya ni time
sanka me bo na mo awon na de no so na ba wa ha sei omo ntam master also
pono kosen
piano me to get
o say
ye na piano me to get
ye kwa he
ye kwa he say
me the man ni me papa
why enye ni dede wa he ne nko why
nte de ba ya bibia betimi akoso o we mama said ya ye ni de me tumi ko ekofo no ekofo tanu me nko ba bi nko fia na jo
ene ene de obekọ fia na jo time a mo ba ye time we na wo sa mo ba ya de wa
mama ade bu a me so mo hello wafa ai kacha kwasimu so mo no ke dan na me da fie why
offer oba fie nti mo nchia ne kwan
aha wafa ya pass one cat no enti na wo po ba ne na dida na so won tiase ya menya ne dan
hwe ni Jimmy Pia freedom hana pie. Try measure the ante. Massa pie.
You be man no me
ti dan. We
what are we? Oh mama nkasa.
Che say ma hihye adwuma na mo dey ba.
Me hihye adwuma mama.
Afa wo ba bia emfa wo me.
Oh we, the we are me master da we. Into wuji di pass ade ba che master o sister me fa no to dey. Na che si yakwa dem no.
Yakwa he pa dey.
Oh, I don't know.
Now so dey.
Oh, to bonata.
Is this not my room?
Gynel. Gynel.
Where Gynel? Hey.
Gynel.
Yes. Hey.
Yeah, be TV.
Gynel.
Be TV no prekupena award tears in swama.
Yo. Hey. Young man, who are you?
I'm a TV repairer.
And what are you doing with my wife on the same bed?
Like now.
No, this is my matrimonial room. What are you doing with my wife? No, come. Gynel, what am I saying?
What are you
telling me? Surprise for what? Will you shut up? Will you shut up? Gynel, I'm talking to you. Explain this to me. How?
I sleep. I didn't even know someone was on the bed with me. Like,
how did he get inside the room?
With the TV
Sarah!
You put the TV ahead and what's next? No, don't go there. Shut up and listen to me. Gynel, listen to me. How did this guy get into the room?
I have no idea.
Master, what we are now?
Why? What's happening?
Okay.
How did this guy get into my bed?
Who is this guy?
This guy.
Sarah, where from this guy? Like, how did he get into my bed?
Now, Gynel, will you shut up and listen to me? Sarah, who is this guy?
Sarah, don't. Am
I talking to you? Will you fucking shut up?
Let me talk.
Who is this guy?
I'm moving TV, no. Like,
So, Sarah, why don't you send him to the guest room? Why is he sleeping in the same bed? Sleeping on the same bed with my wife.
The condition, it was very bad.
Are you defending your wife?
I'm not defending my sister. Me and Mrs. Sankofa Bema from that.
Gynel.
Hey,
Gynel. So you don't respect me again?
It's all my fault. See, I'm TV no. And I want to going to say, let me cry, Mr. I'm so relaxing and the boy into a dream brain.
Okay, so why don't you take him to the hall or even the guest room?
It was very, very like something I was in. Me, I didn't know. Say,
sir, I'm very, very disappointed in you. That you took him on the same bed with my wife.
I didn't know, says Sabesi. Like he was just relaxing.
Sarah, keep quiet. Because the member told so she's tightly close to my wife on bed. So I'm the baby man. Why don't you separate? Young man, next time, next time, don't risk your life. When you're safe, next time. How do you see yourself doing this?
Jabal, nyanto wasi.
Get out. I said get out! Get out! Nonsense! Please! Gynel, you really disappoint me. In fact, you Sarah.
But Sarah, is this the way yes I do? Obi amada. No to me more like a bonti suni.
No, shaky say, let me cry me slow. And I'm saying, I cry no crank.
Sister, I'm part of a TV invoice or scanner.
Get them fit your mother! Get them fit your mother! Your mother! What be back? Nonsense. You see, I blame you for all this. I blame you for all this. Hey, see, Gynel. Listen to me, Gynel. Listen. Next time you repeat this, Gynel, I'm telling you, see the bad side of me. As a growing up lady like you, what damn person be mad with you? Sarah, I'm very disappointed.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
I'm very disappointed in you. What the bed my friend be running me then? So I know sister. I'm at the same bed.
TV in
the sweating one for alcohol or the guest room.
Maybe names are some or baby.
Pissed me off.
Please.
Don't please me. Please yourself.
We are sorry.
I hope you cook something for me.
Yeah.
Sarah, you can go.
Okay.
How could you, Gynel? How could you do this? No, what were you thinking?
can find someone the water and just over a pool, so I'm going to say.
Obeyed her raping me. Because my Baba Dana said me has said that. So I'm even surprised. I'm sorry, and then like seeing somebody on the bed. I'm really surprised.
Okay, Gynel, tell me. Are you hiding something from me?
Hiding?
Yeah.
Like, I won't do that to such a person.
But the way is I cry, yes, I do. What you say?
And I make a choice, I have no idea.
No idea, you have no idea. The guy was sleeping behind your bag and you are
so how would I know if I'm already asleep?
It's almost been real damn hard that then you know what
I was supposed to sleep.
Have you started taking sleeping tablets?
Of course, because I need enough rest. And I'm not getting it.
You know what? This year anymore, be careful with your life. Don't put me on that risk. I said don't put me, listen to me, Gynel. I said don't put me on that risk. Okay? If you really love your marriage, advise yourself. Get me something to eat. I said get me something to eat.
Your food is on the dining table, so unless we go there, I beg you. Why? So they're sorry, change my uncle. Hey, that's already a son, not even money.
I'm very angry with you. I'm telling you. I'm very angry with you.
Osho, take your bath before. Hey, what a war! What a calamity! And I mean, you didn't have no. So, like, we never done my pastor without my knowledge. So, I don't be able to do. Sarah! Sarah!
Sis!
Patrol, blah, 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 blah. Hey,
this is yes, sir.
Now then, come on, we better than my pastor. Sis.
So when you say catch low in Crawford, na to see a film so.
And I'll cast on Madame and I'm so on the whole.
Maybe
so dear Madame can I name point and you said be saying a cost.
Yes, sir.
Why you know?
As a man.
But touch a mouth. Madame, I'm butcher away. It's not easy.